If you've ever been excited to put in fresh new engine parts but you don't have your block yet, go ahead and hit that like button. For this Dodge Charger that I'm working on, I'm just jacking up on the lower subframe. Now with both jack stands in place, go ahead and slowly lower the vehicle right on top of them. Sometimes the easiest way to do it is to loosen the clamp on the lower radiator hose and pull that hose off. But if you're lucky, the manufacturer gave you what is called a drain cock, and you can just loosen this piece right here. And on this specific vehicle, they've even put a hose on it to drain right into a bucket. Generally with a drain cock, you can twist it in a clockwise orientation until the liquid starts coming out. But mine appears to be broken or stripped. So unfortunately for me, I'm going to have to undo the lower radiator hose. When dropping the coolant on a vehicle, be sure to undo your radiator cap so that there's no resistance on the flow of your coolant. Now that my lower radiator hose clamp is loosened, I'm ready to make a big mess.